Swivel straight shower curtain rod installation instruction. Installation tools: drill, hammer, hacksaw, tape measure, level, pencil, Phillips screwdriver, awl wrench. Measure the wall-to-wall distance for installation. Measure and mark the placement of cutting. Cut the rod 2 inches shorter than wall-to-wall distance. Trim the rod to proper length. Insert the ends of rod into the wall flanges. Measure and mark the placement of flanges. Hold the rod up to the marked mounting height. Level the rod. If needed, adjust and re-mark the placement of flanges. Separate the brackets from drums by uninstalling the screws and bolts. Mark the placement of the mounting holes. Drill the pilot holes. Gently tap the anchors into the pilot holes with a hammer. Tighten long screws with Phillips screwdriver. Put the rod up and insert the ends into the wall brackets. Install the screws and bolts to fix the rod. Tighten the set screws with Allen wrench for security. Uninstall the screws and bolts. Rod can be removed from brackets easily. Curtain hooks or hook-free curtains can be put on or removed without uninstalling the wall brackets. Installation complete. The straight rod is installed, with swivel flanges for versatility. It adds a sleek touch to your bathroom and adapts seamlessly to any setup. Enjoy your shower.